What's up guys, today we got the Nerf Rival Takedown. We're going to do a quick unboxing and review, and we also, like always, have some speed loaders from Foam Technician, speed loader holders, charm holder, and we're going to change the spring to a K25 from Out of Darts. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is our takedown. This is spring powered pump action shotgun style. Pump back to prime, forward to shoot. We got a rail up top. Our handle right here is kind of funky, but get used to it. Here's your safety. You go forward to lock your trigger, back to pull. And pretty simple gun. It's like a, some people say like a giant Chronos. And you load your ammo right up top, right up here, and it takes 8 rounds. So let's start taking this apart to add our K25 spring. I'm gonna start with my prime handle down here. Guys, there's 2 little tiny screws right up here. I first didn't notice them until I took a look. Actually, there's only one up here, and that should let this go. So I would put this in a little tray so you don't lose it. I got a magnetic tray that I'm using, so I'll try to remember that that little screw goes right up top. These top ones are also smaller, and the one in the middle is really long as well. So I'm going to put these to the side or up here so I know these are the top screws. Okay guys, once again, got a long screw that goes in the middle, tiny little screw that goes on your pump, and everything else seems to be the same. So, oh, and then you got your 3 little ones that go right on your rail, more medium size. So actually, there's another screw in the back, guys. Should be able to just pull everything apart. Well, it looks like something popped out of place, but I'll try to figure it out. So here's our spring, guys. Seems like it already has quite a bit of tension on there. So just remove this out of the way. Just give us a little bit more space. Should be able to lift this white little handle right here to pull everything out. Yep, there it is. And it looks like this just belongs in here. Okay guys, to get your spring out, you should be able to just pull back. Just pop it out of there. There we go guys. Here's our old spring. Here's our K25 from Out of Darts. This one's a little bit shorter, but obviously a lot more tense. So let's get that out of the way. Here's our plunger. remember, this goes upside down, so this is where it catches it. Like this, guys. Feels really loose in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some Teflon tape to give it a tighter fit. You guys could also use electrical tape, but Teflon tape seems pretty good to me. Maybe twice around should be good enough. See how that fits, guys. Here's our rubber band. Oh yeah, that's a lot better, guys. So that should give you a little bit more FPS. Remember, if you like, you could also re-grease this, because this comes with grease. And just a little bit silicone grease around here. Remember how your plunger goes. And this is probably going to be the hardest part. Okay, let's try something different. Try to take it apart here. Just to give me a little bit more space. Loosen this one a little bit. This is your bottom side, guys. Yeah, that made it a lot easier. So just hold it tight there. Put your little screw back in there. It's a little teensy little one. Remember to tighten the other side. And it's in there, guys. Just make sure your spring's back in the spot, your little spring right here. Should be able to just slide it back in, just like that. Now, this is probably going to be another hard part. Wow, guys, there's some crazy tension now. And this is right in this little groove right here. And here. Trigger. I think that's it. Got it, guys. You kind of put your finger in there and hold that down because of the tension. You should be able to just snap it back on. Okay, guys, let's put this back together. That's it, guys, for our K25 upgrade. Okay guys, now for our part from Film Technician. And like always guys, these are 3D printed parts, so just go hand tight with these so you don't break them. Okay, that's that. Okay, for a charm we just need a small Allen key. And that's it guys, let's load some rounds to our speed loaders. These are a little bit different than our other clips that we have used from Film Technician. Just kind of snap in there. There you go guys. Now let's take some shots. Final thoughts guys. K25, it's a must-have. I wanted to go a K26, but I think it would have been too much. It's a little slippery, so I recommend some grip tape, or maybe getting the pump grip from Film Technician as well. Speed loaders, obviously awesome, just like our Chronos ones were. So I definitely recommend that. Overall, good gun. I didn't get a sight for this one because it's a shotgun, so I tend to hold the shotgun down low. And that's about it guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Takedown. Until next time guys, keep on nerfing.